Now, if you see here on left hand side, when it comes to the group ID, it was saying that STA Selenium, Selenium, all the group IDs are same on your left hand side under the group ID. But when you come to the artifact ID, the first project you wanted to do, that's a simple plain WebDriver Java. And second thing is WebDriver JUnit. And next one is WebDriver JUnit 5, means that's the latest version of the JUnit. And WebDriver TestNG archetype. Scroll down now. So now you need to understand. Okay, so then that is the last. Huh? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So now you need to understand that if I wanted to have a particular template for this particular Selenium, I do have multiple templates. What template I wanted to have it, so that is called an archetype. So now when I have this particular archetype, in that particular archetypes, I might have the groups and then artifacts. What do you mean by group? Means, for an example, I do have a bank. My bank is means a combination of all which I can get is RBI. RBI is my bank. Now, under this particular RBI, what are the banks are available under this particular group? I do have ICICI, HDFC, Axis, Yes Bank, and then Gramina Bank, Saptagiri Bank. We have a lot of banks, and all these banks will be part of one particular group, which is the RBI. So always group ID at a means at a bigger level, and the substitutes or the sub wings of that particular project, the sub wings of that particular group will be into the archetype IDs. And always the archetype ID should be unique. Archetype ID is the name of your project which it displays. Now if you given the artifact one, so now when you see the artifact one, that is what your project name. So always keep your arc means the project names unique. So where you will be giving it and where you will be changing this. So now, okay, let's give that. Okay, Selenium, select the TestNG, Selenium TestNG, the WebDriver TestNG archetype. Last one.
Okay.
Yes, please go ahead. Click next.
Next.
And here, as we said, the group ID. So the group ID you can give means as it's a broader spectrum, right? So we can say it as trainings. You can give anything. I'm just saying that. And in artifact ID, I'll be saying that I'll means any random name. So oh my god. Okay. So now we have been given it, right? Now I'll talk about snapshot and versioning later. Okay. First you click finish. So now as soon as it created, you see it comes as OMG. So it was coming as OMG. Now you've seen it, right? This particular package structure. Now we are able to see that directly you are able to get main Java, main resources Java, test resources Java, Maven dependencies. Click on the dependencies. How come it got all the TestNG dependencies? I didn't added the pom.xml. I didn't added the selenium.xml. Sorry, dependencies. How it generated for here? Any answers?
Because of the
Because of
template.
the archetype.
Because of the template, because of the archetype. You'd go to the pom.xml now. Wow. So even this work also, it will be done by the Maven. And you can add your own template also. So that is what you have an option when you create a project like add archetype. So now if you see here, now this has been done. Now it was see, now you have been seeing all the things, right? So it's where is testng jar file. Quickly, the first file is the testng jar file. The version of the testng jar file is
7.1.
7.1. Now change 7.4. Save the file.
Yeah, I did, Chris.
See,
It's
automatically it updated to the next latest version. How easy it is. So this is what the advantage of a Maven, and this is what an archetype. And you can add that archetype, updating this one. Keep this one for anyone else who wanted to use that. So this is what the beauty of the this one. Got it right? Now that is what the archetype, and then group ID, and then artifact ID. See, you have your archetype ID as OMG, the project name. Now go to the top. Go to the top POM, or go to the top of POM file.
This one, Chris.
POM file. POM file. Now if you see here, no.
This is
For
the
the
one which
OMG.
I
OMG.
added. Oh, okay. Yes.
Okay, go to the top of this. Now you see here, artif means line number 5, which is the name which I have been given it, and the 4 which I have been given it. Now what I can do, I'll write as we do have the name of OMG, right? Change the name of the OMG. And save that. And right click, not here, on the project OMG project name. Right click, update the project. Maven update means you need to come to the Maven. Go to the top Maven. Here you have update the project. Yes. Click OK.
Okay. Was that quick, Chris?
It was no, still it was not updating with the Maven. Why it was going to that? Close all files.
We didn't select the OMG
yeah,
project
we selected
while
it,
updating.
right?
No,
yeah,
no.
I think we need to. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is
Selected.
auto-selected, but do I need to force update anything?
That it's not required, but still, okay, you select that one. I'll let you know. Yeah, click OK.